Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing all well. So in this video we will discuss about AC generator. This is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction which we have discussed in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll provide a link in the description box. The electric generator is very important concept for your class 10 boards as well as in your higher studies in physics and science. I hope this video will be very useful for you guys. So let's get started. So an electric generator is basically a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy based on the principle of electromagnetic induction as we have discussed. So this is the diagram of an AC generator. This is much alike that of electric motor which we have discussed in the previous videos. If you haven't watched that video, I will request you to find that video in the description box below. I'll provide the link there. So if you understand electric motor, it will be very easier for you to understand electric AC generator also. So in this video, we have, this is the diagram of the generator. Let me explain the diagram first, or the structure of the generator first, then we will come to the operation and principle. Okay, so this is a magnet, permanent magnet having two poles, north and south. ABCD is a coil placed perpendicular to the magnetic field within this area. Fine. The terminal A is connected to ring R1 and the terminal D is connected to another ring R2. B1 and B2 are two brushes that are separately attached to these rings. The inner side of these rings are insulated and are placed in contact with this axle. This blue one is axle. Fine. Now these two brushes are connected to the galvanometer to record the current. Fine. Okay, now how this works? We have placed this coil within this magnetic field, right? Now if we rotate this axle by a mechanical force from outside, I mean if we just rotate it with our hand or we use any other power to rotate this axle, this coil gets a force and rotates within this magnetic field like this. The arm AB gets upward and this arm CD comes downwards. Applying the right hand rule of Fleming's, which we have discussed in our previous classes, we see the flow of current is from A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what we see is, as the current flows from A, B, C, D, we get the flow of current from B2 to B1. In this case, we get the flow of current from B2 to B1, right? Now after a half rotation, that means when we have rotated the axle half, what happens is we come to this place. Now focus on this diagram. The arm CD comes upward like this and the arm AB goes downward. Again applying the Fleming's right hand rule, we see the flow of current is through DCBA. Now interestingly what happens, this is R1 again and this is R2, but the brushes have changed, right? This will be B2 and this will be B1. Fine. Now we see here the current flows through DCBA, that means DCBA, which will again result in the flow of current through this circuit like this, from B1 to B2. That means the current in this case means after half rotation the current flows in the opposite direction with respect to the first half. From here we see the current is flowing from B2 to B1, and in this half we see the current is flowing from B1 to B2, right? So this is the AC current we have generated here, which means after half rotation, every half rotation, the direction of the current will change periodically with time. Okay. Now if we attach any appliance, electrical appliance from these two terminals, for example, let's connect a bulb here, for example, we will see this bulb glowing. That is, this electric generator or AC generator is just the opposite case of electric motor. Okay, in electric motor what we do is we provide electrical energy which is converted into mechanical energy, but in generator we use mechanical energy to produce electrical energy. Okay, just vice versa. I hope this is clear for you. If you need a video on DC generator as well, just mention in the comment below. Okay. Hey guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you really liked this video and it was very helpful for you as well. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to the channel if you find this useful and if it really helped you in your academics. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for our new videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.